Welcome. This is how to fix Bose speaker won't charge. So guys, first is just simply use the original Bose charger and cable, or you could try another outlet or USB cable to rule out damage. Another one is reset the speaker. So for most Bose speaker, you can just simply hold the power button for 10 seconds until it restarts. And some models use mute button plus power button for 10 seconds. Another one is clean the charging port. So you could use a soft brush, wooden toothpick, or compressed air to clear dust and lint, and this should fix the issue. Another one is try a long charge. So plug it in for at least 1 hour, even if the light doesn't turn on right away, because deeply drained batteries need extra time. Another one is update the firmware. So connect your speaker to the Bose Connect app or visit the Bose website to update the firmware. Now, if it still won't charge, the battery may need replacement and you may contact the Bose support for repair options.